Ready to take control of your healing process? Setting up your Omni Ice Compression Pro correctly is the ultimate shortcut to reducing swelling and getting back to the life you love. In this quick guide, we're walking you through the exact steps to apply the knee pad like a pro, taking all the guesswork out of your routine. The Omni Ice Compression Pro cold therapy system is an advanced device designed to help reduce pain, swelling, and inflammation by integrating targeted cold therapy with active pulse compression. Before we put the pad on, always observe these 3 quick preparation steps. Number 1, verify that you're using the correct pad by checking the white label that indicates the pad type. Number 2, follow the standard cold therapy protocol of 20 minutes on and 20 minutes off unless otherwise directed. And number 3, always consult your doctor for specific usage instructions, including the duration of your sessions and how to properly perform skin checks. Number 4, always apply a skin barrier between the pad and the skin to avoid frostbite or redness and irritation. Now, we're going to demonstrate how to apply the Omni Ice Compression Pro pad. To apply the knee pad, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the strap. Once you've got the straps open, go ahead and apply it over your leg. Now, you want to make sure the larger part is around your thigh and the hose should be facing upward. You want to go ahead and apply the bottom strap around the calf first. We're going to make sure the part around the calf is nice and secure. Then we're going to bring around our top strap around the thigh and make sure that it's secure. And this is a point where you can go ahead and make adjustments if you need to make it looser or tighter. Quick timeout. Got a question about what we've covered so far? Drop it in the comments below. We're jumping in there daily to help you out. All right, let's dive back in. Once you've got your pad securely in place, we need to go ahead and connect our hose. So you're gonna take the hose from the cooler and connect it to the hose from the pad. And when you put it in place properly, you'll hear that click. That lets you know that it's secure. Once you've got this in place and your hose connected, you're ready to plug in your system and begin your therapy. Here's a quick pro tip to get the most out of your sessions. Instead of dealing with messy, fast-melting ice cubes, we highly recommend using our Omni Ice freeze bags. They are specifically designed to fit perfectly inside your cooler, keeping your water at that optimal therapeutic temperature for much longer. Plus, they're reusable, which makes your daily setup way easier. You can find a link to grab these in the description below. And don't forget to check out our other application videos in this series to ensure you're set up for success from head to toe. If you have any questions at all or a specific recovery topic you want us to cover, let us know in the comments. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join us on the journey to better mobility. Thanks for watching, and as we always like to say around here, let's get back to living.